Hey friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today's video is filled with ultimate cleaning motivation. I'm hoping that you clean along with me or get some motivation for later. These are some of the cleaning agents I'll be using. I have Clorox wipes, a glass cleaner, Pledge, multi-purpose foam cleaner, and microfiber cloths. I'm carrying them together to avoid the back and forth. Okay, here we go. I'm taking off my son's beddings. I want to soak them before I can wash them later. I am going to make his bed with fresh beddings, and I will wipe down a few things in here before I can sweep and mop the floor. But I want to introduce myself. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. My name is Janat. I am a stay-at-home wife and mom to 4. And I am from Uganda. On my channel, you'll find cleaning motivation, and I love trying new cleaning products. It gives me so much joy. Organizing and lifestyle videos I like to share every once in a while, day in a life or weekly vlogs. If you're interested in such content, please give this video a thumbs up. It does support my channel, and I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And please, if you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload. I do upload every Saturday afternoon. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys have kept me here all this while. Yes, I've already said it and I'll keep saying it. You have kept me here. Thank you so much. Please don't stop the feedback. It keeps me going. I really appreciate it. You can as well go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, and comment. My fellow YouTubers, thanks for the hustle. We are still here. Thank you so much for always supporting too. I love all of you guys. You know, my kids sometimes can clean their rooms. However, their clean and my clean are different. So sometimes I like to come in here and do my clean. time in between cleaning. I love jackfruit, especially this type. I am so pleased by myself. I remembered to clean my dusty doors. I always forget about them. Even when I'm not filming and I'm just doing my usual cleaning, I always forget the doors. I see them afterwards. Like when you're sitting on my dining, you can see my hallway door and it is dust that is staring at you, and I keep postponing about them. I keep like procrastinating about them, but I'm glad I remembered them and cleaned them. So if you're like me, I hope this is a beautiful reminder. I'm cleaning my hallway door, the boys' door, and then my bedroom door, and I'm using Pledge Food Beautify It. It smells amazing, you guys, and it works so great. I am just in here for a quick one, make my bed and clean the furniture in here. I did that 4 days ago, but when you walk in here, it would look like 2 weeks or even a month. That is the disadvantage of living near the road. Yeah, so sometimes things don't go as planned. It is called life. I was set out to clean at least half of my house. I was very determined and motivated, but when I took a break to go make or prepare a few things for lunch, I never came back to filming. So this video is not as long as I would have wanted it, but I hope that the motivation here is enough for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that it motivated you. And if it did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. It does support a lot. And whatever you can get done is enough for the day, even if it's 2 dishes or cleaning 1 room or a load of laundry. Until the next upload, God bless you. Bye.